The Ministry of Home Affairs, MHA, has extended to the deadline for the three-member Judicial Inquiry Commission investigating the ongoing violence in Manipur. According to a Gazette notification issued yesterday, the Commission must now submit its report by May 20, 2025. The Commission, established on June 4, 2023, is headed by former Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court, Ajay Lamba. The other members are retired IAS officer Himanshu Shekhar Das and retired IPS officer Aloka Prabhakar. The Commission was tasked with investigating the causes and spread of violence that erupted in Manipur on May last year. It is the second time the MHA has extended the Commission's deadline. In November 2023, the MHA had set the previous deadline for November 20, 2024, following an earlier extension. The Commission is responsible for investigating the sequence of events leading to the violence and examining whether any authorities or individuals failed in their duties. It is also to review the adequacy of measures taken to prevent or address the violence and to look into any complaints or allegations made before it.